Using your credit cards doesn't hurt your credit until it does. Here's some tips about utilization that you're going to want to know about. My name is Sam Parker with My Credit Guy, and credit utilization is one of the most misunderstood sections of the credit scoring algorithm. For instance, if you have a credit card that's $1,000 and you're using 400 of it, you're at 40% usage, which can actually drop your credit scores. We like to see credit cards at about 30% usage, and we know that once they cross over 50%, it can become detrimental to a credit score. You could lose up to 100 points, never even missing a payment, just by having your utilization out of whack. So make sure that if you are using credit cards, that you're keeping those balances down around 5 to 10% if possible. And also remember, it's not the due date that matters, it's the statement date. So make sure that by the time that the credit cards have sent your information to the credit bureaus, that you have made that payment and that it's reflecting your current balance. Otherwise, you might not even be getting credit for the payments that you're making. If you have more questions about this or want a custom paydown strategy, head to mycreditguy.com. We'd be happy to help.